Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss a very interesting question of geometry. The question is, the equiangular convex hexagon ABCDEF has AB is equal to 1 meter, BC is equal to 4 meter, CD is equal to 2 meter and DE is equal to 4 meter. What we need to find? We need to find the area of this hexagon. Now I am going to give a very interesting approach to solve this problem. Now what is given? It is given that this AB is equal to 1 meter, BC is equal to 4 meter, CD is equal to 2 meter and DE is equal to 4 meter. Equiangular hexagon means all the angles, this angle is equal to how much? 120 degree. All the angles are equal, 120 degree. This is also 120 degree. This angle is also 120 degree. This is also 120 degree. And this is also 120 degree. And this angle, all the angles are 120 degree. So all the angles are equals 120 degree. Now I am doing some construction here. Now I have done some construction. What construction I have done? I have simply extend BC both sides, BC, DE and EFA both sides. Matlab this side and this side also. Now where they intersect? They intersect at point A dash, BC, CB, say CB and FA intersect at A dash, B dash and C dash respectively. What does it mean? BC and FA intersect at A dash, BC and ED intersect at B dash, and what about AF and DE intersect at C dash respectively. Now if I extend, what is this angle? This angle is 60 degree. This angle is simply 60 degree. This 60 degree. This angle is also 60 degree. So what is this angle? This 60 degree. Similarly, what about this angle? This angle is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. And what about this angle? This also is 60 degree. Because this is triangle. So this angle is also 60 degree. This is 60 degree. And this angle is also equal to 60 degree. Now it is clear. So what can we see? We can say that triangle A dash, B dash, C dash is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Now what we need to find? We need to find area of triangle AB, area of hexagon ABCDEF. Need to find area of AB, CD, EF. Now, so this area of ABCDEF is equal to simply equal to area of triangle A dash, B dash, C dash minus area of triangle A dash, BA minus area of triangle C, B dash, D minus area of triangle C dash, EF. Now this is triangle A dash BA is equilateral. Is equilateral. So what can we see? So this length is also 1 meter and this is also 1 meter. Similarly, triangle, so side length is 1 meter. Why it is 1 meter? Because AB is given as 1 meter. Therefore, triangle C, B dash, D is again equilateral triangle. So what about side length? This is 2 meter and this is 2 meter. So what can we say? We can say that CB dash is equal to DB dash is equal to CD. This is equal to 2 meter. So finally what can we say? We can say that length of A dash B dash is how much? This is 1 plus 4 5 and 5 plus 2 7 meter. And what about length of B dash C dash? It is also 7 meter, because A dash B dash C dash is equilateral triangle. A dash B dash C dash is equilateral triangle. So if this is 7, what does it mean? This means this is 2 meter, this is 4 meter. This means EC is equal to 1 meter. So this EC dash is 1 meter and FC dash is also 1 meter. So what can we say? We can say that EC dash is equal to C dash F. This is equal to 1 meter. And what about FA? This FA is equal to, this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter, this FA is equal to, this is 5 meter. Now, so from here, what we have calculated? We have calculated this A dash B is equal to 1 meter, CB dash is equal to 2 meter, and this is same as DB dash, and EC dash is equal to 1 meter, and this is same as C dash F, and FA is equal to 5 meter. Now what about area of ABCDEF? This area ABCDEF is nothing but area of triangle A dash B dash C dash minus area of triangle A dash BA minus area of triangle CB dash D minus area of triangle C dash EF. This is E. Now putting the values, what we find? What is length of side of triangle A dash B dash and C dash? This length of side is 7 meters, so area is root 3 by 4 into 7 square. What about length of side of triangle A dash BA? 1 meter, so this is root 3 by 4 1 square minus root 3 by 4. This length is 2 square minus root 3 by 4 into 1 square. Simply putting all the values here, what we find, root 3 by 4 is common. 49 minus 1, 48, 48 minus 4, 44. After calculation, what we find, this is equal to 43 root 3 by 4 meter square. So hope you understand the solution and also understand the method of construction. Thank you and see you in next video.